In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your personal meeting ID in Zoom. This is essential for setting up meetings with ease and ensuring everything runs smoothly, whether it's a quick chat with colleagues, a formal business meeting, or catching up with friends and family. Let's dive into this straightforward process. To begin, you'll need to open the Zoom application on your desktop or navigate to zoom.us in your preferred web browser and sign into your account. If you don't have Zoom installed on your computer, you can download it from the Zoom website. Once you're logged in, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, if you're using the desktop version of Zoom, you'll find yourself on the home page. From there, direct your attention to the Meetings tab. This is where all your scheduled meetings, as well as personal meeting settings, are stored. Simply click on Meetings, and you'll gain access to more details about your personalized setup. Once you've clicked on Meetings, locate the section labeled Personal Room. Within this area, you'll be able to find your personal meeting ID. This is a unique code that identifies your meeting space on Zoom. It's like your very own digital office that you can invite others into. Knowing your personal meeting ID is crucial, as it is how other participants will join your meeting. After you have located your personal meeting ID, the next step is to share it with your meeting participants. Zoom makes this incredibly easy and efficient. You will notice an option labeled Copy Invitation. By clicking on Copy Invitation, the necessary details, including the meeting ID and the invite link, will be copied to your clipboard. This is particularly handy, as you can then paste it directly into an email, a chat, or whatever platform you're using to communicate with your attendees. No need to manually type out the meeting ID or link. Remember that this personal meeting ID remains the same unless you decide to change it. It's a good practice to become familiar with this number and to use it consistently for your regular appointments to avoid any mix-ups or confusion down the line. And there you have it. An easy way to find and use your personal meeting ID in Zoom. Following these steps will help streamline your meeting scheduling process and ensure you're always ready for any kind of engagement. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tricks on making the most of your digital tools. Until next time, happy Zooming!